Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don't hate Igbira people for their intelligence, hard work and the ogbonge contribution with them they bring to the economic prosperity of Edo State. In praise that when he received representative of Igbira community for one courtesy visit for in office for Sadebia Avenue, Benin City. Omobayo Wey Sabi the history and activities of Igbira people for Edo North Senatorial District. Talk say them they very active for political matter and say he admire how them they live peacefully for their communities. A promise say he go appoint members of the community as political aides to make the peace where they between them and the state government strong weller. The deputy governor can stay here and say,
I want to thank the Igbira community once more. Your contribution to the economic prosperity of Edo State cannot be over quantified. Many people may not know you to be Igbiras, but you constitute a major part of the workforce that produce food for the good and bad people of Edo State. Because of your political strength, you are expected that we are going to come after you. Of course, you know the elections is coming close. We must always come around. All of us, Labour, PDP, and APC. But that you have decided to take this opportunity to seize that what the governor has done is one that is just like your brother now. I'm your brother and your sister. We are all one. So for him to have recognized us in our own marginalized area to say we too can be called number 2 in the whole state, that just for that you have down tools and you have collapsed your structure for PDP. I want to thank you very much.
On behalf of the Igbiran delegation, youth leader Suleiman Hassan talk say them they support PDP based on the trust we then get for Omobayo leadership and the long relationship where they between them and the Igbiran community. And say them they committed to support candidates where go there on their side and go help develop and make Edo State better.
It's a privilege today to meet with you to actually register our concern about this forthcoming election in September. To be very, very good to know today, sir, that the Igbira community have taken a stride to make sure the goods from one community to the other, to see that we come together, we put our vote together to see which party we are going to support. As God will have it, you have now moved from your party to PDP. I'm not just moving there. You didn't just become to PDP, but you are now the deputy governor of Edo State.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.